Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Right, well, I've been really lazy lately and I've not made any videos. I've just been lazy, like I said. I'm just going to attach you to my tripod. I should have done this before, but you know how I am. I'm very disorganised. Oh, I've got a double chin. Okay, I'm going to try and do this eloquently. There you go. I remember to film this way. Right, I'm wearing a fantastic t-shirt. Let me see if I can put the tripod down. Excuse me, because I'm so professional. See? Halloween! And this is by my friend Katrina Mugs and T-shirts. Now, it says Caterina'sCwtchMugs. Sorry, Katrina, I have no idea what that means. But yeah, Katrina's Mugs and T-shirts. It's a fantastic company. You can get all your T-shirts made. This is very good quality. They live, which is, it says, I'm here to chew chewing gum and kick ass. And I'm all out of chewing gum. Yeah, so I want that. So, today I was going to make some stir fry, but I couldn't be bothered. I will show you what I have. I bought some of these, which I'm going to have as well. Hopefully they've been in the fridge all day. Oh, it says cooked from frozen. Shall I refreeze them? Yeah, sure. I'll refreeze them. Follow me. Right. Going into the bedroom. Right, we have to feed. What's her face in here? Kit Kat. Otherwise the dogs eat all her food. So I'm going to put it back in the freezer for tomorrow. There you go. I should be alright. I've eaten worse. So there you go. Back in freezer. Right, let's put you back on the stand. Watch out, Charlie. Oh! No, I broke it. Oh no, I broke me. I broke my tripod. Okay, so what I was looking for. Hello. Oh no! Dropped me peaches on the floor. That's what you have having such a tiny fridge, you see. Anyway, excuse me. That's what I'm having tomorrow. I was going to have it tonight. I've decided not to. I've just made some veggie burgers for Gary, so he's alright. I picked up this the other day. Oh my goodness, it is absolutely delicious. It's not too spicy, but there's lots of garlic, there's lots of just loveliness, really. It's sometimes if you have sriracha, it kind of spoils it because it gets a bit too hot, but no, it's good. It's good, I enjoyed it. So yeah, that's about it really. Follow me. So yeah, nothing really much going on. Like I said, I was going to cook, but I'm not going to, I can't be bothered. I'll do it tomorrow. Oh, I do have some special shoes though. Do you want to see my special shoes? See? They're my special shoes for special people. They were £8 from the pound store. I live at large, me. They're only for walking in for work. You know, so I'm going to be walking in shit all the time, so I don't need anything too expensive. My other trainers had become so worn that I could feel all the ground. So yeah, so that's boys and girls. Oh, she's got Colin's baby. Oh no, I've literally broke my... broke it. Look, I'll show you. So I know because you're interested. Look, it's broke. Not very good, is it? I'll try and fix it tomorrow. Or fix it later, whenever. So yeah, so there's my day. Never know where to look. So if I look over that way, I do apologise. I should really look that way, but hey. Yeah, so there you go. There's my my day. Exciting as always. I've re-dyed my hair. Not very well. I was meant to go to the hippie shop to have it to get my regular hair dye, but she wasn't open. She's not been open for a couple of days. I couldn't really wait because it was just looking really bad. So I went shocking pink, but I don't think it's that shocking, really. Right, I will say goodbye and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.